Here's a nice, easy flow to get your morning started right, help you feel centered, strong, and focused. Start standing here, feet apart. Let everything soften. Bend your knees a bit. Bring your hands to your heart. Settle here. Reach everything all the way up. And all the way up and over your legs here. Nice forward bend. Drop your head and neck a bit. Inhale out nice and long. Soften your knees, find the ground with your hands, and crawl on back toward your down dog. Put a little bend in your knee, shift your hips a bit side to side. Find the right place for your hands and your feet. Big inhale, pull your right leg way up and back and open, down dog split. Lean to the left as you slide that foot on through, low lunge. Roll up through your center high. Sink right here. Big inhale, lift up. Twist toward your front leg, open your arms, belly, everything wide. Big inhale, come up through your center. Again, easy twist and open. Big inhale pulls you high. Easy twist and open. Lift up through your center and roll open, warrior two. Back heel finding the ground, toes pointing toward your front foot a bit. Sink your hips nice and low. Lift everything all the way up. And press back, warrior two. Tip yourself back, reverse, lengthen out through your front leg a bit, and wave up and over, side angle, forearm resting on toward your thigh, opposite arm floating up and over. Reach that top arm back behind you, bring yourself up through your center high, and sink nice and low, warrior two. Tip back, reverse, lengthen out through that front leg, and wave up and over, find the ground with that left hand, slide on back toward your plank pose. Roll toward your right side, open everything up, side plank, and back through your center. Roll left, big inhale, open up, and all the way back through your center. Drop your knees down, sink your hips for an easy up dog. Roll open a bit here. Big inhale, pull the front of you open. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back toward your down dog. Big inhale, pull that left leg all the way up and open. Lean right as you slide your foot on through, low lunge. Roll up through your middle high. Sink nice and low here. Lift up. Twist toward your front leg, roll your belly, everything open. Bring yourself through your center. Easy twist and open. Bring yourself all the way up. Easy twist and open. Lift up through your center, keep on opening up toward your warrior two. Back heel finding the ground, front toes pointing forward. Sink your hips low. Lift high. And right back out. Big inhale to lift. Easy press back, warrior two. Once more, lift up. All the way back. Tip back, reverse. Wave up and over, side angle, rest that forearm on toward your thigh. Roll your body open. Reach that top arm back behind you, bring yourself up through your center high. Sink low, warrior two. Tip back, reverse. Wave up and over, right hand finds the ground, lean right, slide that top leg around, plank pose. Roll right, big, easy stretch and open side plank. And back through your center. Roll left. Big, easy stretch and open side plank. All the way back through your center. Drop your knees down toward the ground. Sink your hips. Roll around gently here, a little side to side. Get into all the parts that are asking for some attention. Draw your shoulders and your back open up. And relax your hips toward your heels. Find something comfortable for your hands and your forehead. Just rest. Bring yourself on up towards sitting. Relax your hands on your thighs. Simply notice how you feel. When you're ready, gently bring yourself on all the way up and have a great day.